Okay guys, welcome back. It's your old pal Hondo doing a quick video on how to use your cell phone for a fishing camera or an outdoors camera if you don't have a GoPro. It's a very simple process here. What you need to do, the first thing you will need is one of these like little, selfie phone holders for selfies, and take that, that little connector off of it. And what the next step you could do is get a tripod of some sort, if I can get it out of here. And once you get it out, you screw it into a tripod like this. The tripod mount, you just screw it into the bottom of the selfie mount, put that in there. Now this alone will not hold your phone very well, especially if you're putting this on. You could also put this on a chest rig for a GoPro, and you could also put this on a a head, on your head with a GoPro head rig or whatever you want to call it. This will also mount in there too, the selfie mount will. But once you put it in here like this, it will not hold the camera all the time or the phone in there very well. So the next step you want to do is get like one of those little rubber bands, like those really thick rubber bands that you get on celery sticks. You can save those, and then what you do, what this does, this rubber band will hold it snugly, and then you run it a few times over here. Do one more time like that until you get like a really tight fit on here. Just remember that might loosen up your mount, so you may have to take that back out again, and to basically have it where it's tight and snug. Now what this rubber band will do is it'll hold your phone in place really. Okay, now we got it set in there. Of course you want to set this to vertical on your phone, and what this will do with this rubber band and this selfie clip, to where you could use this to mount it in either a GoPro mount or a GoPro chest rig mount, or on this in particular, it makes it to where your phone will not fall out no matter what you do. You can shake it, it's not coming out because that rubber band keeps it in place. It might jar the stupid little selfie mount all around, so you're gonna have to retighten it if you're jarring it around a little bit. But what this does is it makes it to where you have a stable platform to use your phone as a camera to record videos and stuff like this. You want to set your camera to vertical, whatnot, set the resolution up on your phone so you can use this as a camera, so you got better like steady shots, because most of these cameras don't come with stabilization. So that way you can get a nice steady shot, like say if you're fishing, or you want to set this selfie stick on a, the selfie mount on something else, so you can, on your GoPro head mount or your chest rig, to basically use it as a camera for fishing. A lot of people do that with this, or, riding your bicycle, but it doesn't have very good stabilization in it, so you're not going to get very good quality of video, unlike a GoPro with the hyper smooth technology. But that's how I use my camera and a selfie stick setup for a tripod, so you don't have to carry a stupid selfie stick around with you everywhere you go when you're fishing. If you're bank fishing, this is perfect for bank fishing. This is also good for like if you're doing nature scenes and you're zooming out with the camera lens to catch deer or whatever, birds. Works good for that too. I hope you guys, if you like this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. This has been your old pal Hondo from Hilly Tactical. Hondo out.